In this video, we will see how we can change the package name in Flutter. First of all, you need to download a package called rename from pubdev. You can simply copy the package name and run command flutter pub add package name rename. After installing the package, clear console, go to pubdev package. Now in this package you need to check this command and activate the package by just simple paste the command and enter. This will activate the rename package in your project. After this you need to check, you can check the existing name in the package project just like by running. You will get all the command from here, like you can get the app name, you have iOS app name, invoice maker, and you can also check Android by but we are not going to change the app name. We are just wanted to change our package name, which is for no example invoice maker. So for changing this we have a command like I am just going to change for Android. If you want to change for iOS, you can replace this Android with iOS. Rename, set bundle ID, target Android, and value anything which you want to set the name. Mostly this will your website opposite URL, like I am here writing com shares and invoice maker, my app name. Like my website is shares.com, so I shifted com.shares, and this will change my package name. You can see that it's changing my app. So you can change the other thing also, like name and bundle ID. You can get the name and bundle IDs. Thank you. This is all for this video.